Hello friends, today in this tutorial I'll be showing you that how to embed material time picker inside your Angular application. So based upon that you can have a input field where you can pick time inside both formats, let's suppose 12 hours or 24 hours. So this is a simple input field out there. This is a demo application we will be building in this tutorial. So you will see that if I click on this field, a nice modal window, pop-up window will appear. So this is kind of like Google material design like. So you can see there is a clock like structure, and here you can select the time, whatever time that you want to select in AM or PM. So you can see this is in 12 hours format. So which time you want to select, you can select here AM PM. After selecting it, click on OK and your time will be selected. If you want to delete the time, you can click the cross button to delete it, and once again if you want to select it, your time will be selected here. You will see that. And now to select the seconds, you can also minutes, you can also select the minutes out there. Now to change the hour, you can also change it like this. So this is very handy library. So we are making use of a special library which is called as ngx-material-timepicker library inside our Angular application to pick the time from this awesome pop-up window time picker. If you want to cancel, you can click the cancel button. There is also icon. If you click this icon also, then this window will appear. So now let's suppose if I change this to 24 hours format. So now you will see 24 hours will be shown to the user instead of 12. So if I click onto it, so if I refresh the application, so now there will be 24-hour format. This is a clock here which has 24 hours format. So here you can select based upon which time you want to select, like this. So this is a handy library guys where you can just embed this time picker and just take the input from the user. So as I already told you, I am using a special library called as ngx time picker. So this is a library ngx time material time picker. So basically, if you just write here inside Google, the very first result which comes in, this is the library that we are using to build this tutorial. So you can see it's a very popular library, almost 45,000 weekly downloads are there. And it has a very nice documentation, all the options are given to you. So I have also written a complete blog post discussing about this library, and also I have given all the source code. So if you want to implement this inside your application, you can refer this blog post. The blog post I have given in the video description. So if you go to the edit option, you will find this blog post. So simply go to it and download all the source code. So now let's get started guys by building this application. So inside my projects folder, I will make a new folder which will be time picker. Go into this folder and make a new Angular project which will be time picker. So this will make a new Angular project inside this folder. So basically it will ask some questions. You don't need to have right routing, so and CSS will be the style sheet. So now it will install these packages, so just wait 15 to 20 seconds. So it is just creating the project. So after creating that project, we will be installing this dependency which is ngx-material-timepicker. So just wait here. So now you can see the packages are installed here. Now we can move into the directory and we can open this inside Visual Studio Code text editor. So now we can install this dependency which is ngx material time picker. So this is a command npm i ngx material time picker. So this is a brand new Angular project. So right here inside app.module.ts file, you need to import the module. So you need to write this line, which is, but before that you also need some more modules, which is the forms module, which is a built-in module in Angular. So we are importing this from @Angular/forms. And also we need to also get the browser animation module, animations module. So this is present inside Angular platform browser animations. So you also need this module as well. And now we will be importing the module that we have installed, which is ngx material time picker. So if you see here, it is just installing it. So now it has installed it. So now it will give you this ngx material time picker module. So from ngx material time picker, so we need to add this three dependency, which is forms module, browser animations module, and ngx time picker module. So now just you can close this file, and now we can simply go to app.component.html file, and right here we can simply have a input field where we can attach this time picker. So there is a simple option here, which is in square brackets. We can simply write here ngx time picker. So the value will be equal to, you can attach any value which is picker, and then you need to use this value inside this directive, which is ngx material time picker. So you need to attach this hash symbol like this, so picker, that's it. So now if you reload the application, just start this application ngserve, you will see a time picker on the screen where we can select the time. So now it has started this application. So if I see here, so we have an input field right here, guys, you can see that. So this is a material like time picker, and here you can select the time in AM and PM depending upon which time you're selecting. So you can see that, very simple. And there are some options that you can attach inside this. So these options are very much, if you want a 24-hour clock time picker, you can attach this format option, which is comes here. So by default it is 12, you can change this to 24. So if you refresh it, uh, let me see here. ngx time picker, I think the value was ngx time picker. So here you cannot change the format in the first example. By default the format comes as 12. You can see that you can select the time here accordingly. So in the second example, if I show you, there is a second example which is there. So this is the full HTML which is there of it. Let me paste it, and right here inside your this one, so we are taking this example which you see here. So for this you will need all these dependencies. So this needs to be installed for this. So I will not install it. You can manually look at this example by going to this link. So this has some extra functionality such as these icons. So the functionality remains the same. You can just pick the time of, so it's a material time picker. So that is the library, guys, I wanted to discuss with you. It's a very simple library which you can integrate inside your Angular application to pick time, to allow the user to pick time. So thanks very much for watching this video. I will be seeing you in the next video.